Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. If you are new viewers, then do subscribe my channel, click the bell icon for further videos. Today we are going to learn about sound of animals. Let's start. The sound of cats. Meow. The sound of dogs. Bark. The sound of goats. Bleat. The sound of horses. Neigh. The sound of elephants. Trumpet. The sound of lions. Roar. The sound of deers. Bell. The sound of pigs. Squeal. The sound of ducks. Quack. The sound of tigers. Roar. The sound of monkeys. Gibber. The sound of snakes. Hiss. The sound of frogs. Croak. The sound of jackals. Howl. The sound of camels. Grunt. The sound of birds. Chit. The sound of owls. Hoot. The sound of doves. Keel. The sound of parrots. Talk. The sound of nightingales. Sing. The sound of crows. Cow. The sound of bees. Hum. The sound of hens. Cackle. The sound of pigeons. Coo. Thanks for watching. Do like and share my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye. Have a nice day.